Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up a new Allorado Gateway. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Inside the box we find some documentation by Siemens on how to properly mount the device in various positions. We also find an accessory kit with various mounting plates. And of course the star of the show, the Allorado Gateway. We also have here an optional antenna available to you when ordering. The gateway has two Ethernet ports, one configured as DHCP to connect to your network, the other one configured statically to connect to your computer. Over here we find the power plug, and out here the antenna connector. For proper function, let's go ahead and connect the antenna. Inside this accessory bag we find a few accessories by Siemens. There is the DIN rail mounting plate, which you can connect here on the back. Just screw it on with these two screws provided in the bag, and you can mount it on a DIN rail. After you've connected it to power and to the network, let's take a look at how to configure the gateway further. The next step is to log into the gateway's web interface. In order to do that, you will need the IP address of the gateway on the current local network. To find the IP address, you normally log in to your router and see which clients are connected at what IP address. Or you run an ARP scan. I, for one, know the IP of the gateway. It's at 192.168.1.62. And when I surf to it in the browser, I am presented with the login page. The default credentials are admin. When I sign in, I am immediately presented with the terms of service. Please carefully read through these, and if you agree, click agree. We have now arrived on the overview page of the gateway. There are 3 steps you need to take when setting up a new gateway. For the first one, let's head over to System Configuration. The first step is to change the password. Admin isn't a secure choice, so please change the password, choose a new one, and click Confirm. A second step is to correctly set the time zone. I live in Brussels, so I will change the time zone to Europe, Brussels. And I can then click Sync Time. A third step is to check if the LoRa decoders are still up to date. So we head over to Software Update and check here what the latest installed version is. For me, that currently matches, which is great. If that would not be the case, and there is a later version available than what is currently installed, you simply head over to allorado.io, software, and here you see the recent versions available of the decoders. You simply download the latest version, head back to the web interface, click choose deb file, upload the latest decoders you just downloaded, and voila, that's that. The new decoders are installed on your gateway. So that is the procedure to set up a new Allorado gateway. For more tutorials, go to allorado.io/docs.